So nobody else is home but me. This adorable, handsome Kevin Butterscotch decided to climb on the table for no reason at all. He's mad because I'm cat shaming him. Reason you're on the table is there's no food here right now. I'm cooking on the stove, just a simple pot. Why does this happen when I'm alone with you? You're very calm when other people are around, but when I'm here by myself, this is what happens every time, and no one believes me. You really think I'm not gonna, caught you in photo and video. Orange cat behavior. You are so spicy with that look. You look like you're about ready to kill me. Okay, Mr. Butterscotch. I see you.